Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
What up? Hey, we here, Mr. Ponzi. Look out below. Ariane in the house. Alrighty. Yeah, we had a little push down, small one, nothing big, couple points. I was took a couple stabs and all that. Made a little bit of money. That's a little bit of money. I say just a little bit, not a ton. Using AI Ariane, this app called Mureka. M-U-R-E-K-A, Mureka. Or Eureka, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Nah, it's Mureka. Let me see here. Kind of sneeze, hold on. Woo! That was a big sneeze. All right. Let's kind of look and see what we got here on the hourly. That generally tells the story, right? Mancini called out another banger trade. Of course, we missed it. It's all right. We missed it. How do I get rid of this? What up, Outer? You the man. Okay, I think I gotta do this. Just put them all back over here. Something like that. And then, yeah, save. Perfect. All right, just waiting on this account to load up. And then we'll be looking for some trades. And gold's kind of pushing back up towards all-time highs, kind of pulled back there. Almost back up to the 30. All right, let's look at the hourly. Big wick on the hourly. Look at that candle. Huge wick. Swept this liquidity down here. You can see I participated some. A little something something. A little participation there, up 770 on this account. We're kind of at the 618, just above it now. 25,010 potentially? I don't know. Do you guys think we go down into close? Not sure. Do we go up? Do we go down? That's the question. We're not putting our profits at risk today like we did yesterday, so I've already purchased an eval. and got it loaded up here. I mean, how do I do away with this? I don't even know. Because I don't want this. I don't know how you do this. Trump speaking, is he? I don't know. I haven't seen. You're guessing 992 then down. I don't know if Trump is speaking. I'll look it up in a minute. I'm trying to make sure this stupid copier is off. You know what I could do? Maybe I'll just use my Ninja. Well, that's on E. I guess we can just change it to EQ. That'll work. Oh, that account's not showing up. You gotta disconnect and reconnect. Nice little drop right there, though. What in the world? How does that? Oh, there it is. I'm like, where the hell does that account not show up? All right. Let's go 50 EMA. Yep, that'll work. All right, we got the account pulled up. That we'll be trading on. A Ninja Trap. All right, we got it pulled up. Holding above the VWAP. Do we just get long here? Let me see if Trump is speaking. I don't see that he's speaking. Let me see. Okay, is this... Let me see when it is. It does show that he's going to speak, but I don't see him speaking now. I might be waiting for the stock market to close. Who knows? I got it pulled up, so I'll let you know if it pops up and they show him talking. All right. We will not be trading this account, I don't believe. I do have another eval over here that I'm trading. Let's kind of see what Mancini's talking about going into the close. Uh, 67.18 to 23 hitting ES. Perfect conditions today. We hit 67.66 target. Sold 115 points. What comes after every elevator down. Sell like that should be review. Short squeeze. Hit 65.53 support. Triggers were 67 or 84. And target back up. Protect gains 28.40. Bonus. So I'll mark out 40. No, and then I mean I'm guessing 12 is the next support down. 67.12. I mean, if we feel like it's just going to go up, we could just buy here, but I have no real way of knowing. Kind of retested the bottom of that 5-minute trend line from earlier. Lower high. Look for a little push down below the 200 here. Test that 900 level if we can. Done. In and out right there for a quick 10. Kind of looking like we might be setting up for a short. Actually, would just now be triggering. We unloaded it the last couple of days at close, and both of those days I was long. Do we take the short? I think we do. There's still 3 minutes left on this candle. Long from 900. I mean, 900 bounce might make sense. And you already... There's the 900. ES really has no support down until 99. So I think this short down to 69 could work. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try the short down to 69. And I'll average into this. $91.75 is technically your first target. That's your first bridge. So it might bounce here. Make sure I'm on the right account. The pushback through 90 again. I may add one more. Look for this push down to 69. Got 1 minute and 50 seconds left on this candle on the 5-minute chart here. For it to really break structure. It kind of already hit the first target, like I said. The trade really has not triggered yet for another minute and a half, technically, but looks like it's going to trigger. Yeah, it definitely looks heavy solo. That's why I'm looking at the short here. I mean, you could maybe take it down to 57, but I'm going to look for kind of that bounce zone down there at 69. About 20 points there, 18, 19 points. One minute till the candle closes here. Wouldn't be shocked if this pushes back up into like 916 to where kind of where my stop is there. But I will move the stop if it does that. Rebalance that 1 minute gap up there. What up, Pine Tree? Where's this volume coming from? I don't know. End of day. End of day. How'd you do today, Pine Tree? How'd you do? Oh, I forgot I was going to add one more here. All right, adding one more there. Should I cover one at 10? If I cover one at 10, maybe I could target lower 60. Yeah. Really? I know you guys saw that. It just bounced right there. Nice green day. Let's go. Over 159. Your best daytime was 3,000, so you need to get another consistent. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, outer, that sucks. Man, look at that. Stopped me there by a tick. Or not stop. Didn't take me out. Well, I think since it did that, we should probably go for more. This is an eval, guys. I was hearing a noise. I was like, what the hell is that? I think that might be about Trump's about to talk. There's Trump, guys. Be careful. Trump is live. Trump's live. So be very, 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 very careful. Should I kill this trade? I don't know if I should kill this or not. Crazy market stomp you out and pull back? Yeah. I don't know if I should just cover this trade or not. Not really reacting to him talking yet, but it could just rip right back up though. Don't know what to do here. I guess since it's just an eval, I'll leave it on. Would have been nice to have gotten out of that one ad. Yeah, murder bot in 6 minutes. I may not make it to the murder bot. May not make it. God dang it, I accidentally exited out of the speech. Yeah, I might get stopped out of this, guys. I thought Trump was going to come on after hours. Max, come on, man. Maxie, come on, chill out. Max. He hears somebody in the kitchen. He gets so mad. He like just wants to go in there. All right. Trump has a lot of PA accounts. He needs a bone. No, he hears somebody. I have my door closed, so it's not loud in here, and he hears somebody in the kitchen. Let's see if it ends up playing out here. We get back below 90, I think we get a quick dip lower here, but Trump is kind of the great equalizer here on this deal. Could say anything here. You're still bullish, but no guts long again. Yeah, I mean, I was bullish too, but then the 5 minute broke structure. It's not that clean, but that kind of gave me the idea in the short here. I kind of ignored the 5 minute the last couple of days, and I got burned in the close. So today I'm really paying attention to it. Back below 90, this thing should just rip lower. How do you turn off the stupid brackets? Anybody know how you turn off the apex, the brackets? Okay, finally. I figured it out. Shut my computer down? Yeah, for sure, Rob. The murder bot. There we go. The murder bot. $15. Oh, come on. Oh, dang it. We're full port here trying to pass. I don't even think I need that much. Need like what? 15 points would be 70. Oh, you got to be kidding me, guys. Come on. Gonna blow the account now. Just need a 70. I think that, I mean, I was like right there. I think I almost made it. That's not the buy to close. Why are you selling? What happens if you place a buy order? Selling? What do you mean? All right, there it goes. I don't know what you mean. Yeah, buy order was for, I was looking for, I might have been over right there, guys, at that push down. I'm not sure. I may have been over. Kind of annoying. Yeah, look at it. Look at that shit. There's target number 2. That's rude. That's rude. Man, I had the right idea there. Just didn't. Maybe went a little too. I mean, like I went 10 minis. On the pushback below, I thought we would just get it. The push quickly, right? We just didn't get it. 55 candle coming up in a moment here. Here's the 50. $55. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, well, it was an eval, just full ported, just trying to get one past. So it was just a few ticks for my take profit and turn back around. Just a few ticks. That's the way it goes, right? It's the way it goes. Holding up there at the 99 level on the ES. Let's see if it can get back above there or not. Might stab long here. Yeah, definitely almost in a day. Passed on with day traders this morning. New prop I'm trying out. Yeah, I like day traders. They're all right. Probably continues to push up here. We got just a few minutes left in the day, so. Rude on that eval. Very rude. So on the 5-minute chart here, I'll show you guys what I was looking at. Kind of retested this 5-minute trend line from earlier on that push up, and then not clean. You could have gotten short here. That probably would have been the better idea, but that wasn't really like that clear of a close below. So I waited for this candle, and I marked out the 2 targets there, 40 points. Now you got bullish engulfing here on the 5-minute, looking like it just wants to squeeze into the end of the day. Potentially. That wick up there is looking pretty tasty. I'm going to stab at it. Going to stab at it here. Going to be coming into the final minute here in 10 seconds. Stops in. There we go. Easy peasy read right there. Just bullish engulfing on the 5-minute, tapping into that bearish 5-minute gap now. ES all the way back up to 67.12 here. VWAP sitting up there at the 19 or the 18. Looks like still going to squeeze maybe into the final minute. So up $804 on this eval. 52,300 overall. 52,300. So we need about $700 to pass it tomorrow if we can. Squeezy into the end of the day. ES approaching the VWAP there. Nasdaq blasting through there. 5 seconds left. Look at that Nasdaq. This thing's probably just going to rip back up to these highs. Who told me to sell at 914? What's wrong with you guys? Why'd y'all tell me to sell at 914? That's rude. Show you guys the P&L over here. You can see the that's the one we just blew, the eval. But up $1,171 on the trade day influencer cup. Day one again, unfortunately, but tomorrow we're really going to try to go for like 2 to 3 grand. See if we can get like 2,500, something like that. Move that on along if we can, while kind of being careful. So Trump's still talking. Well, Trump's not talking. Somebody else is. But that is going to do it for me today, guys. If you haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do appreciate it. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Man, this thing is just going. So. But anyways, just want to jump on here for a little afternoon stream. You made 10K and lost it all with the eval. Oh, that sucks. S-Bigs. That sucks. Alright, well, hit that like button on your way out, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you then.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash in